nice! Whoa, Lamont!
Off the turn and one. Wild Child taking that quick inside, but it's Anderson, the 83. And there goes the Wild Child, low on the inside, quick and in a hurry. So far, so good for the Wild Child. 83 Anderson right there as well as those two get crazy in the turn one. Figure eights, gotta love it, Bandit style. Watch out for that 5E of Eric Pearson.
They're pushing, beating and banging to go into one there. It's Schneider on the inside, Anderson on the outside. Here comes Pearson, he wants some. Look out!
That Wild Child of Nick Schneider doing a good job of hugging it low and taking it high. 5E of Pearson doing a great job catching Thomas Anderson, the 83. Watch out for the 12 of Ross Lamont. He's creeping his way up there. The Wild Child beginning to run. This is where the figure eight gets a little crazy. He can leave one behind. Who would that one be? There goes the Wild Child. Pearson in second. Lamont in the 12 car battling Anderson, the 83. Armato in that 26X, and then it's Rich Schinderling in the 78 bringing it up. Here, it's getting closer and closer to that figure eight fun. As that Wild Child in that 26 car begins to pull away even a little bit further. 5 of Pearson. Hanging in there as well, the 12 of Ross Lamont there. But it's that Wild Child, Nick Schneider, taking it high in turn one and wide. Pearson and Lamont slowly trying to close the gap. They're running out of laps. Nick Schneider still rolling. Pearson and Lamont in the 5 and 12. Anderson alone in the 83. And here comes a little bit of battle in the back. Schinderling in that 78 going after the 26 of Cody Armato. Still the Wild Child, 26, rolling away. Pearson and Lamont still in a battle for that second spot between the 5E and 12 car. And we'll get our first caution.
How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Did you like that figure eight? Wow! Wild Child getting it done. Doing double duty. It's Nick Wild Child Schneider! Nick, you started in the back and you ended up in the front. Tell us about it.
Excuse my language, but it's been a hell of a night. And when you're that fired up, you drive a little bit harder. I mean, I got a good car, but unfortunately, my dad's the king. I know a lot more about the 8 than anyone else in this division right now. And we proved it.
Way to go, Nick. Do you have any sponsors you'd like to thank tonight?
Oh, yeah. First off, I got to thank Cody. He's driving my other car. That guy works on this car so much, it's ridiculous. I think he touches it more than I ever have. Perfect Temp Heating and Cooling, Grooming by Valerie, Frisch Signs, Ultimate DJ and Karaoke, Richie Smoke and Barbecue, Hardcore Garage Doors, ADV Racing, Tommy, you're awesome. My fiance, I can't thank her enough for letting me spend just about every day in the garage fixing it. And all you fans, I hope you enjoyed that, because that was all out, everything she had.
Let's give it up for the fiance for supporting Nick. All right, one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, Nick Schneider.